today, an eclectic group of people from all over Delhi citizens are here to express their opinions on the recent Bhopal court verdict.
I see this verdict as a clear encouragement to hazardous corporations to come into this country and kill ordinary people and maim them for life and get away paying a pittance that doesn't leaves the corporation completely unscathed.
के दलालों को जाओ के दलालों को.
Some of us here are representing Warren Anderson and Manmohan Singh and Ratan Tata and all of these people who've been so instrumental really in making all of the decisions in this country.
And the country is standing tall because of the actions of me and my government.
Yes, I felt when some 15,000 people died, I felt a little bad.
It is an attack on democracy. It's not just an attack on the legal system, it's an attack on democracy. Here I would like to stress one thing which needs to be underlined. That is, life of a citizen in a third world country has no value. They have been totally devalued.
If we acknowledge the courts, then they have the power to decide our lives. I'm saying let's go and puncture every vehicle that goes to the court and say let's boycott the system.
The laws are rotten and they need to be reframed, and whole constitutional or parliamentary system needs to be revisited.
That waste is still sitting there, and this goddamn country is actually headed in the direction of a full-blown nuclear civil liability bill.
So we want the government to actually look back into the case and then provide justice to the people and the victims.
आसमां में टंगी हो न खुशहाली.